Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hi. Good morning. Hi, everyone. Okay. Everyone, good morning to everyone. And yesterday I had given homework for you, and I hope all of you have done it. Hi, everyone. Hi. And that homework question was yes. Hi, everyone. So homework question you have already done, I think so. So just you who have given the first answer, I want to say that. So for that purpose, I will call their name. Those who have given the first answer. Just we'll wait for 1-2 minutes. Let them join once. Okay, so quickly I will tell their name. Okay, any other thing if you have you can ask, and before that have to be yes. Okay, so I hope all of you have done that homework. Yes, anyone? But who have done the first? That is the question. Yes, hi everyone. Who have done that first homework? That is the question. So question where two questions were given. Let us see. So now let us start with the intro because it is already time. So let us start with the intro. Okay. Welcome to PSM Perfect Solution Math. I am your tutor Suman. Today we are going to learn the arithmetic progression AP lesson from the class 10 mathematics we have, and in this yes, so several students have given that two homework were given, and this is the two question that A is equal to 6, D is equal to 4, N is equal to 7, and A and I have told you to find. So though some students, several maximum all the students have sent the answer for me, but I have told first three answers or first one answer I am going to say. I have told only one answer, those who have given first that I will say. But the problem is what happened is three members have given within 1 minute. Means when I have closed the this one live class, within 1 minute they have sent the answer. So for that purpose, the three members name I have to tell only. So I can't leave that three members name. So today I will going to say that three members name before that. So how many of you have joined today? I want to know. Just you give one hi so that I can understand you are here. You are here. How many of you are here? I want to know. Just you put one hi message. And if you write your name also, no problem. Okay. Just you see hi. Yes. So keep it live. Keep it live. Yes, keep it live. The if you have to keep it live, then it will be better. Okay, several students are here. Good, good, not a problem. Yes. Okay. My voice is echoing. Okay, now it is echo. There is echo because here the weather is not proper today. It's raining and all, so it may be problematic for the live stream. So it may be the problem, but it is echo now. Okay, not a problem. So now I will tell those who have given the first answer. The first answer is came from Sudesh from Murdeshwar. Sudesh, the answer it came from Murdeshwar. He have given the first answer. Yesterday's question. The first answer is given by Sudesh. Okay, from Murdeshwar. Second answer is given by Sakshi from Belgaum. So Sakshi from Belgaum, she has given the second answer. And third answer is given by Bhakti Hansi, that is also from Belgaum. So three members have given the answers, and all the three members, good, congratulations today. And tomorrow again, today also I am going to give the question, homework question, and who will solve it first, I want to know. So after finishing, you have to send it to me, and who will send it me first, then I will call their name in the live class. So first, yesterday's question, the first answer, and first they have sent is Sudesh, second one is Sakshi, and third one is Bhakti Hansi. Okay. Let us go for the next one. Anyone have a doubt in this? Anyone have a doubt in this question? Anyone have a doubt in these two questions? Yes. Anyone have a doubt means you can ask quickly. Not a issue. No. Okay. So let us move towards the next question. And before going to that question, one student have asked the doubt yesterday. They have asked one doubt for me. So that I have to discuss. So what is the doubt and everything we will discuss. So they have given one question for me. That question, that type of question, we will find. Okay, that question type we will find. So what is that question? So let us go for one more question. Take down the question. See here, take down the question. The nth term of a sequence is 2n minus 3. Find its 15th term. Sorry, find its 15th term. Okay, this is the question. I hope all of you can find this. You can see this. It is visible to you. The question is the nth term of a sequence is the 2n minus 3. Find its 15th term. This is the question. So now actually what they have given here and what you have to find. So what is the actual thing here they have mentioned? Do you know? So will you say, anyone will you say what they have actually given here? Anything they have given? So here the nth term of the sequence is the 2n minus 3 since find its 15th term they have given. So how you can find it? Is it possible to find? Here they have not given the AP only. First of all I will tell you they have not given the AP. But something is given, that is 2n minus 3. What is this 2n minus 3? Read the question once again and tell me what is this 2n minus 3? Okay. Bhaktihan is saying n is equals to 2n minus 3. Okay. Anything else? Here you see nth term. Yes, it is the nth term. What do you mean by nth term? Yes, it is the nth term of the sequence is 2n minus 3. But what is this? Yes, 2n minus 3 is nth term. But what is this nth term refers to? What we have to take as the nth term? So we have A, we have D, and lots of things we have. Now like that way, which number we can take as the nth term? What we can take as the nth term? We have A, D, and A, and then we have everything. No, so what it is? Nth term is equal to, okay. That is I'm only saying nth term is equals to 2n minus 3. Yes, that is correct. Nth term is equal to 2n minus 3. That is correct. But nth term is, yes, very good. Akash Shet. Very good, Akash Shet Sudesh. One of the term of the AP sequence, yes, that is the correct. But nth term is nothing but an. Nth term is nothing but what? An is equals to 2n minus 3. Okay, it is a term of an AP, yes, very good. But it is the nth term. Nth term means what? An. If you say fifth term, what do you mean fifth term? I am asking one simple question. What do you mean by fifth term? Yes, what do you mean by fifth term? What is the fifth term is? If I will say fifth term is equals to 18, what do you mean by fifth term is equals to 18? What the fifth term refers to? If I will take fifth term is, it is what? A5. Very good. Yashasvi Morgan. That is nothing but A5. If I will say 15th term, if I say 15th term, it will refers to A15. Understood? If I will take 18th term, 18th term is A18. Similarly, nth term, remember Nth term is nothing but an. Understood? Like this way it will go. So whichever term we are going to call, it will become the a of that. For example, fifth term is a5, 15th term is a15, 18th th is there, 18th term is a18, and nth term is an, because in place of numbers we have n. So like that way only, if I will say mth term, what do you mean by mth term? So if I will say mth term, what do you mean by mth term? Yes, very good. So what do you mean mth term? So similarly, we have to go through the same. Fifth term is a5, 15th term is a15, 18th term is a18, nth term is an. So it is mth term. Mth term is am. Very good, Ashasvi Mohan. So it is nothing but am. Clear? So like that way we are going to have. So here they have given for us, that is nothing else than nth term. So nth term we are going to write. Okay, we are not going to have anything else. Only this much is enough. But the problem is here. What is the problem here is that n value exactly we don't know. Which number is that n value we don't know. Okay, because n is unknown for us. Number is not given for n. But we will continue the question. What they have told you to find? They have told you to find is the 15th term. Means what they have told you to find? They have to find the 15th term. What do you mean by that's 15th term? Yes. What do you mean by the 15th term? And all of you keep that video on live. Keep that, sorry, not video. That video, how to make it live. You double tap on the right hand side, it will be live. Because some students are giving the answer for a previous question. Okay, you are giving for yes, A15. You have to find the A15. So you have to find what is that A15 is. Nothing else, right? A15 value you have to find. So now I will write below that only the AN value only I will write on A15. So what is the change happened here? In place of AN, I have written A15. In place of AN, I have written A15. What I have done a small change here. What is that small change is? Will you find? What is that small change I have done? Instead of AN, I am writing A15 means what is that small change I have done for this first equation and the second equation? A small change is there, no? Just a bit one change is there. So what it is? So all of you make the video live, so it will be proper, because we will give the answer for the which question I asked. If you are not keeping it live, so what will happen is you are giving the previous question answer. Yes, here it is nothing but n value is different. N value is 15 here and everything is similar. Means here I have to substitute where I will find n value, there I have to substitute 15 value. So in the right hand side we will do the same. 2 as it is, but in place of n we have to multiply 15 because we are finding a15 minus 3. So n value, where you will find n value, there you have to substitute 15 as the answer. So what is that 215? Use the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says that first you have to do the multiplication. 2 into 15. 2 into 15 is 30. 30 minus 3. 30 minus 3 is how much? 27. So what is the value of a15? What is the value of a15? That is 27. So whether it is a difficult question, whether it is a difficult question, whether it is a difficult question or whether it is a easy question. Yes, answer is 27. Answer is 27. Not a problem. It is not difficult, I think so. It is very easy comparatively. Yes, yes, it is 27 as the answer. It is very easy. It is very easy because you have to substitute the n value and you have to find it. That's all. But my question I will change it a bit. Find its nth term, 15th term what they have given. Similarly, find its 15th term, first question, and I will say the second question. Find AP. Find the AP also. Here the question I have done little bit change. What I have done is find the 15th term is okay. Second question I have given, find that AP. AP how to find. So what do you mean by AP? The 15th term it is easy to find. What do you mean by AP? You have to find the AP now. Second question is find that AP. What is AP? AP means what it will include. First thing, what it will include. AP means. What it will include AP means. Yes, what it will include when it is AP. Okay, common difference, arithmetic progression, sequence. Very good. That is the sequence we require. We have to find the arithmetic progression means sequence we have to write. So what is the sequence? First number will be. What is the sequence in that first number will be? Yes, the first number will be A1. Very good. A1 we have to find. Then we have to find the A2. Then we have to find the A3 and so on. Yes. Here we have to find the numbers. AP is nothing but the sequence. Sequence is nothing but A1, A2, A3 and so on. You have to put the so on. So first we will find A1. How to find the A1 now? Same rule. An is given. An is equal to 2n plus 1. 2n minus 3. So 2n is equal An is equal to 2n minus 3. So now what is the thing is? In place of n I have to substitute 1 because I want to find A1. So that is equal to 2 into 1 minus 3. 2 1s are 2 minus 3. Yes, the answer will become minus 1. So A1 value will become minus 1. So similarly I have to find the second one. A2. Again same thing. 2 into 2 minus 3. 2 2s are 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So A2 value is 1. Similarly how to find the A3? At least you have to find the 3 values. Yes. At least you have to find the 3 values. So A3 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 3. 2 3s are 6 minus 3. Yes, that value will become 3. So A3 value is equal to 3. So this is your sequence and it will continue. Enough. 3 is enough. No need for 4 and 5. If they will ask you to find the 4 to 5 APs, then only find. Otherwise, the AP is so first one is minus 1 is the A1. Second value is plus 1. Third value is 3. And it is you have to write as so on. Compulsory have to write the so on. Means it is continuous. Yes, this is the answer. Yes, you can find the A4 also, not a problem. A4 if you will find 8 minus 3 is 5. Very good, Bhakti. So like this way, you have to find the AP. Yes, the difference between them is plus 2. Difference between them is plus 2. That is D is 2. 2 2 difference. So you can move on to the 2 2 difference. Okay. And one more important thing, those who are joined here, all of you, I will tell you one thing. You keep it in your mind. All the exercise question for the state syllabus. I'm not talking about the ICSE syllabus. I'm talking about the state and CBSE. Particularly CBSE and state. Students only I'm saying ICSE student, similar kind of exercise questions you have. But little bit different you have that we will discuss later on. But those are in state and CBSE syllabus. I have already done all the exercise questions in a YouTube channel. I have kept already, it is there. Just you can go through it and you can find the answer for it. But I have not done, I think 1.1. That is the first exercise I have not done because it is very easy. So I have not done the first exercise. Any questions I have not done the solution. But from the second exercise I have done all the problem solution in the YouTube channel. This YouTube channel only, link is given in description. There you can go and you can check every answer. There are 20 questions from the 1.2 exercise for the state and CBSE students. For the CBSE students, exercise number is different. I don't know which exercise it is. For that purpose, second exercise, all the question I have already solved and it is there in a YouTube channel. If you want, I will send the link today. You can go there and you can refer that question answers. Okay, so that much, because exercise questions again I will not go. Whichever doubt you have, you can ask from it and I will solve if you want. Okay, so that is the only one thing. And now you take down one more question. Let us see. Okay. One question I will give you. Just you understood now this basic thing, how you can find it. Yes, it very easy. Yes. So take down one homework question today. Okay, take down one homework question today, and I want that homework question by tomorrow. Take down this question. Question is, if the similar kind question I will give you, if the pth term of an AP is 2p plus 3, find the AP. Okay, let us see. Here they have not mentioned as nth term, instead of n they have given pth term. Not a problem, both are same. Here instead of n they have given p, and in the equation also they have given p. Both are same. It is nothing different. This is the homework question. Tomorrow you have to do it and send it to me by tomorrow. Okay. Who will send it first? I will call their name. And very importantly, I will give one more question, so you can't send it now only. Don't solve it and don't send it now only, because I will give you the time afterwards you can solve. So now we will discuss one more problem. So it is important problem now. Next we will discuss. So take down the one more problem. Don't do it now only. Don't send it to me, because if you solve now and if I will you will send it to me also, I will not consider that. After the class only I will. Okay. This is the question. Is the next question. This is the AP. Write down. This is the AP. Here you have to find hundredth term. You have to find the hundredth term for this given AP. Let us see how it is possible to find. You have to find the hundredth term of this given AP, sequence of AP. Of the sequence of the AP. So first of all, whether it is in AP. Whether this question is in AP, that is my question first. Whether it is in AP. The first one, the term first one. Yes. The first one is A1, A2, A3. Yes, Sudesh have already given the answer. So here the problem is, we have to clarify whether it is in AP or not. The first term is root 3. Root 3 can be written as 1 root 3. Remember, root 3 can be written as 1 root 3, because root 3 along with that it will be 1 always. So D value can be found easily. 2 root 3 minus 1 root 3. Or you can go with the 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3. Here 3 root 3, 3 root 3 is same. So I can minus this number. We have to minus, see, very importantly, okay, the answer is the 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 root 3. So root 3 I can write it down. Instead of 1 root 3 I can write down root 3 only, because 1 root 3 and root 3 are same. So this is our D value. One extra information for you. I want to know the answer. A value is root 3 here, no problem. That is also you can write it down and you can calculate it. So we want to find a hundredth term. So A100 is equals to, formula you write it down. Okay, directly also you can write down. A100 is equals to A plus 9090. Remember, A plus 9090. Otherwise you can go with the an is equals to A plus n minus 1 into d. A value will be root 3. N value is 100 minus 1 into d and root 3. So it will become root 3 plus 99 d only. Like this one you will get. So 3 plus 99 root 3. Any one method you follow, both are same, you see. Formula method or direct method also possible. Clear? So next calculation, 1 root 3 plus 99 root 3. You can add them because root 3 is common both the side. So we will get a 100 root 3 only. So 100th term of the given AP is nothing but 100 root 3. Okay. So it will not make any difference. But my question is, now I will ask the question. What is the value of root 5 minus root 3? What is the value? Quickly. What is the value of root 5 minus root 3? What is the value of root 5 minus root 3? Anyone? Root 5 minus root 3 answer. What is the value? Quickly find it and tell me the answer. Root 2. Akash it is saying root 5 minus root 3 only. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. So let us see. So see here, why I'm asking one more question. What is the value of x minus y? What is the value of x minus y? What is the value of x minus y? My question, it is clear for you now. What is the value of x minus y? Okay, what is the value of x minus y then? No, those are given any answer, no problem. But I want to know what is the value of x minus y. So make it clear because no, this is our very basic questions. So you have to get it properly. The answer for x minus y you can't cancel only. Why you can't cancel here x minus y? Because you might have learnt the like terms and unlike terms. So whether the x and y both are like terms, both are not like terms. Like terms are if you have here x, along with that you have one more x on this side. These are like terms. These are like terms means both of them having the same variable. If you have here x square and one more side we have 3x square. These are like terms because here we have x square and here also we have x square. Okay. Similarly, if we have 5x square minus 3x, these are not like terms. Why it is not like terms? It is unlike terms because here we have x square, but on the other side we have x. Both of them are same variable, but the powers are different. So these are not like terms. So like terms means it must have the same power, it must have the same variable. Then only it is called a like term. For example, if you want to make sure, just I will tell you. If you will take here x square minus 3x plus 4x square minus 8 plus 6x. Okay. This is a question we have taken. So little bit I will take it to the right hand side. Okay. This is a question which I have taken. Now you concentrate here. Very importantly. Now will you find here any like terms? In this question, will you find any? You are finding any like terms? Which are the like terms are here? X square minus 3x plus 4x square minus 8 and plus 6x. Here you have to make the like terms means having the same variable, having the same power, you have to bring it one side. What are like terms here? Which are the like terms here? So any like term for x square? Any like terms for x square? Here like terms of x square. Yes, here x square and the 4x square are the like terms. Very good. X square plus 4x square we can write it on one side because these are having the same variable. Yes, these are having the same variable. So I can write it on one side. Very good. So next one minus 3x is here. So this both of them I have made it one side. Next we have minus 3x. That minus 3x I am writing here. Along with the minus 3x, which term I can write it? Plus 6x because both of them are having the same x value. So it is plus 6x. And lastly 8 is alone. 8 will be alone only because it doesn't have any like terms. So that minus 8 I have to keep it as it is at the end. So this is the procedure of calculating. Now we can add x square means 1x square. Coefficient will be 1. 1 plus 4 is 5 and x square is common here. Similarly here my x and x is common. Both are like terms only. X we can take it common. But minus 3 plus 6. In plus 6 you are subtracting the 3. So it will be 3 and greatest number sign is positive. So plus 3x. And lastly minus 8. So this is the way how you can solve. But again further is not possible. Again further calculation is not possible because these are unlike terms. X square is unlike term to x and this is unlike term to this 8 because 8 is a constant. Clear? So therefore I am saying if you have the minus root 5 minus root 3 here it is acting as a variable. root is acting as a variable. Here root 5 we have and here root 3 we have. Both of them are different, not same. Remember, both root 5 and root 3 are not same. Both of them are different. So I can't subtract them. It will remain as it is. In place of, like this way, if you have the question, root 5 plus 6 root 5. Now I can do, or this is 3 root 5 plus 6 root 5. Now I can do the calculation. Because root 5 is here, which is like term to this root 5. It is acting as a x term, variable term. Root 5 is acting as a x term. So now we can add them. Root 5 you keep it common, but you can add this number. 6 plus 3 is 9. So this is the way how we have to calculate the answer. If it is a minus also, we can subtract them. That will be minus 3 root 5. The greatest number sign is negative. Both signs are different. We can subtract them and you can find. So like this way we can do it. According to the question, we can do the calculation. So remember this. You must have the like term. Then only you can add or subtract. But if the question root 5 into root 3, that time you can directly multiply them and you can write it as 15, root 15. When it is a multiplication, you can do the direct multiplication of these numbers. Root 5 into root 3 is root 15. Root will remain as it is, but 5 is 15. Okay, only you can do the multiplication. You can't do the addition and subtraction when it have the unlike term. For example, if you have 3x into 2x square, what is the final answer will be? 3 to the 6. You can multiply now. Same thing. Different terms which is not a like term. X is x raised to 1 we have, x square we have, but we can multiply them. Yes, it will be 3 to the 6. X into x square is x raised to 3. So we can write down like this way when it is a multiplication, but in addition and subtraction, we can't add or subtract the unlike terms. I hope it is clear. Yes, we can do the division also. You can do the division also. For example, 4x cube divided by 2x. If you have, you can do the division. 2 get cancelled. 2 1 the 2 4 the, it will be x raised to 1 we have. So it will be 3 times x we have on the numerator. Only 1 x is in the denominator. So remaining will be x square. Means 3 minus 1 is 2. Yes, x square will remain. Yes, it is division, it is possible. Same rule. Division is possible. For example, if you have the number root, little bit we will take differently now. We will take a root 6 divided by root 2. Both are a different kind of number. So now you can make the divide. What we can do the division? So we can do here the calculation as a whole root I can put. 6 by 2 I can do. 2 1 the, 2 3 the, answer will be root 3. So we can divide, we can multiply, we can't add and subtract the unlike term. It is clear for you, I think so. We can divide and multiply because division and multiplication is the same kind. Addition and subtraction are same kind. So in operations of mathematics also, operation of numbers also, there are 4 types: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Multiplication, divisions are same kind and addition and subtraction are same kind. Okay? Any doubt? Yes. I hope you don't have any doubt. So I have clarified your doubt. Hopefully at least 1% you understood regarding this. At least 1%, yes? At least 1% you understood about this. Yes, it is a AP lesson, but I went for that because if you don't know that method, no, it will be difficult. These are basics you must know. So for that purpose. Okay, now let us go for some interesting question. Okay, some interesting question, we will go through it. Now take down the question. Okay, find 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term Not homework. Now you have to solve. 16 term is 73. Not a homework. Now you have to solve it. So here the question. Quickly take down the question. Find the 31st term of an AP whose okay, Satish Kotian. You are from which place? Satish Kotian. Satish Kotian is you are from which place? Satish Kotian. Okay, I will solve the model question paper, but I want to know this year 10th or this year you are writing the exam or next year you are writing the exam. That is my question. Okay, so this all of you solve this problem and what it is you understand that till then we will I want to know about Satish Kotian because he is saying to solve the model question. So this year 10th means I am taking separate class for the this year 10th. Those are writing the exam means this June you are writing the exam for them. I am taking the class at 11 o'clock. That time I am discussing the answer. Okay, Bhakti Hansi with the answer. Very nice. Okay, so see here the question here is you have to find the this year writing the exam in Satish Kotian. The 11 o'clock I am taking the class for this year 10 students. I am solving the questions. Okay, fifth class from today now. You can join afterwards also. You can understand this as not a problem. You can go through it. And I will solve the model question before whichever doubt you have, you can ask there also. Okay, let us come in for this question. The 31st term of an AP, we have to find. So we have to find here A31. First question you have to find A31. So what is given? 11th term is given. 11th term is 11th. Remember here TH means A11. So very importantly A11th term is 38 and 16th term is A16. So all of you once you try to solve this I will be back within 1 minute. Okay, I will be back within 1 minute. All of you try to solve this. Only 1 minute. Try to solve this. Hello. Hello. Okay, all of you are solved. So A11 term is 38 the have given. What is that A11 refers to? All of you see this, you can see the screen I think so. So what is that A11 refers to? Keep that video live first of all. What is that A11 refers to? You know that A11 means what? A plus, how much D? Yes, it is audible, yes? A11 means how much D? A plus 10D, yes. 10D, that is equal to 38. That is the first equation. Second one, A16 means which D? A plus, yes, A11 is 38, A plus 10D is equal to 38, A16 is A plus 15D is equal to 73. So now what happened? Yes, that is the correct. So in our previous class I have discussed. Yes, this is the thing, two equations we have. Now what we have to do the next part is these are acting as a linear equation. Remember, these two equations are acting as a linear equation. When we have a linear equation, all of you concentrate here. We have to write both the equation one below the other. So I will write the equation number 2 because it is a greater number. So A plus 15D I will keep it as it is, that is equal to 73 I will take. And the first equation I will take it as a plus 10D what we have 38 that I will write down below it. A plus 10d, that is equals to 38. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract. We have to change the sign. The positive a what we have here, that we have to make it negative a. Means if it is a positive sign here, we have to make it negative. So obviously here also we have positive. So it we have to do as a negative sign. Subtraction is changing the sign. The positive here, we have to make it negative. It is a positive, it is how to make it negative. And similarly on this side also, 38 is a positive, make it negative. And then totally divide means subtraction will be, yes, we have to change the symbol. Now very importantly, we have to do the calculation. So what is the thing? A and A get cancelled. 15d minus 10d is 5d. 15 minus 10 is 5d, that is equal to 73 minus 38. 73 minus 28 is how much? Just you find. 73 minus 38 is how much? 13 minus 8 is 5. So 6 is left, 6 minus 3 is 3. Yes. So D value is equals to 35 divided by 5. So 35 divided by 5 is nothing but 7. So D value will become 7 as the answer. So D value here is the answer is 7. So after finding the D, what you have to do? So this is the important thing. You have found the D value. Anyone have a doubt means you can ask. D value will become plus 5. Okay. So anyone have a doubt means, so D value will become plus 7. So anyone have a doubt means you can ask. Okay. Okay. Not a problem. So D value will become 7. Now after finding the D value, substitute this D value. Because I want A value also. Because A31, we have to find A31. A31 is nothing but A plus 30D. So we have to get that A and D value. So we need the D value already found. So we have to find out A value. So find A. So how to find A? So finding the A is nothing but this D value. Substitute in equation 1 or equation number 2. So it is left to you. Any one equation you can find substitute. So substitute D is equal to 7 in equation number 1. In equation number 1. So how we are going to find? A plus 10D is equals to 38 we have. A plus 10D is equal to 38. In that A value we don't know, keep it as it is. But the D value just now we found as 7. So 38 is the final answer. So A you keep it as it is. What is 10 plus 7? 10 into 7. 10 into 7 is 70, that is equal to 38. So A value is equal to 38 plus 70 we have, shift it on the other side, it will become minus 70. So the A value will become minus 32. A value will become minus 32. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Yes, it is not positive, it is negative 32. Yes. So next part. So A value also found, D value also found. It is enough for to find the A31. They have told in a question that you have to find the 31st term. So if you will see the question correctly, find the 31st term. So you have to find the 31st term. So you have to find the 31st term. So for that purpose, you have to substitute the formula A31 is equal to A31 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. N minus 1 means 31 minus 1, that is 30D. So 31 is that means it will be 30. Okay, 1 less. Now we know A value and D value. Substitute the value and find the answer. A value is minus 32. D value is plus 7. So into 7 it will be 30 into 7. A value is here minus 32. D value is 7. So minus 32 plus 7 3 is 21. 210 minus 32. You do that 210 minus 32 and you will get the answer as 178. Okay, so that A31 is nothing but 178 is the answer. So yes, the answer is 178. Don't worry, I will repeat once again, not a problem. So this question answer first is given by Bhakti Hanji, second unique, that is unique bullet, that is Sanjit I think, and next one is Sujit. Okay, then they are having lots of members, very good. What happened Satyesh? Okay, this is the way how you can find the answer. So those are not understood, yes Sujit. Sujit is here, good. So those are not found the answer, don't worry. And if you are finding difficult about this, we will have one more problem of this, and in that you can understand. Okay. So this is the problem, just to make a note of it, because I am going to solve one more problem similar to this, and we will see how many of you will solve that. And if you have a doubt, you can ask that time. Okay. So one more question I will put now. So this method is very easy. First thing what you have to do is there any other easy method, sir? Okay, there is another easy method we have. Substitution method we have. Here we have done elimination method. So it became like this way. So you can do the substitution method, but substitution method is similar to this. So I think this is the easy method. Actually, it is not difficult. I will tell you one more problem I will put, and I will tell you it is very easy comparatively. How to find? I will tell you. First, what you have to do is which term is given, like that you write it down. It will come in terms of A and B. So similarly, one more equation they will give you. Two equations they have to give. So it is in form of like this. Okay. So this two equation what we have got. What is the two equation what we have got here? That two equation we have to do the elimination method. This is called elimination method because you are eliminating here a value. You are eliminating the a value after subtracting. So remaining is this 15 minus 10 is 5. So afterwards you have to find the d value. After finding the d value, substitute the d value in equation number 1 or equation number 2 in place of d, and you will get the a values. After finding a and d, you can find any term, a 31st term, a 20th term, whichever which they will ask. So let us take one more question similar to this. So take down the question. An AP consists of, next question, an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and okay, so and the last term is 106. Find 41st term. Okay, there is one question. What they have told is what is if the 11th term value is given? Yes, 11th term value is given, means here already given the 11th term value only. 11th term value is 38, already given. Okay, they will not give only one term value. They will give you at least two values. They have to give the two equation only that time. It is not that they will give only one equation and they will not tell you to find. They have to give the two values. The two equation they have to give, means two values they have to give one. If it is given only one value, it is not possible. Okay, now this is the question. What actually they have given here and what you have to find here? Quickly answer. Last question of the today's class, and afterwards we will go to the, means afterwards we will meet tomorrow. Don't want today again. So just answer to this. Okay, anyone with the answer? Yes, here they have given what? Okay, previous question 11th term, only one 11th term is given, it is impossible to find it. Here at least you have to use the two terms. In this question they have given there are 50 terms. There are how many terms? 50 terms they have given. Okay, so there is totally 50 terms. Okay. Last term is 50th term. And third term value is given. Third term value is 12. A3 is given as 12. The first thing they have mentioned here. Yes, very good, Sanjan. And next one, not 21, 12. Okay, the A3 value is 12 because they have given us a 12. And one more importantly, they have mentioned one more for you. That is nothing but a 50th term they have given. What is that 50th term? It is the last term. Yes, there are a first term, second term, third term, and here in the sequence, the last term is A50. 50 terms are given as A50 is the last term. So here the third term value is a evaluation. This first and second term we don't know. And anything we don't know, but we know the last term value. Last term refers to, what is this last term refers to? Okay, no problem. What do you mean last term refers to? Last term is nothing but A50. So A50 value is given as 106. See how they have made a twist for it. Last term is 106 they have given, and it consists of 50 terms. Means how to make sure A1, A2, A3, so on to A50. A50 is the last term, and the last term value is 106. But they have not mentioned directly that A50 is 106. They have not mentioned. We have to understand by putting that in a sequence. Okay. Then they have told you to find yeah, A50 is given. A50 is 106. And here very importantly, one more thing they have given is A41 they have told you to find. A41 you have to find. A41 we have to find. So let us continue. Okay, A3 is given, so I will write down A3 is equals to 12. A3 is nothing but A plus 2D, that is equals to 12. A50 is nothing but A plus 50 is 106. Sorry, A106 is A150 is 106. A plus 49D, no? It is equals to 106. Now you do the previous method. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Substitute, and if you want to put it in a rectangle box, it will be good. So equation number 1 and equation number 2 we have to write one below the other. First we write on equation number 2 because it is a greater number. A plus 49D, that is equals to 106, and A plus 2D. Yes, now I am told no, you have become a master in this one AP now. So because you are giving the answer very quickly, very nice. So changing the sign, all are positive here. So all I made it a negative. So don't see that the sign, okay? Don't consider that sign. Very importantly, don't consider the previous sign. You have to consider the new sign. This is the new sign you have to consider. And very importantly, cancellation. A and A plus A minus A get cancelled. 49D in that 2D how to subtract. The new sign is negative. I have told new sign is negative, not positive. This one, previous sign is 1. So 49 minus 2 is a 47. 47D. That is equals to 106 minus 12. 106 minus 12 is a 94. 106 minus 12 is a 94. After finding that, you have to find the D value. So D is equals to 94. This 47, what we have now, that we have to shift it on the other side. When you shift that 47 on the other side, it will divide. Why it will divide is in between them is into. So 47 ones are, 47 twos are. So D value obviously it will be 2. So D value will become 2. That D value you have to substitute in any one of this equation number 1 or equation number 2. So substitute D is equals to 2 in equation number 1. So what is the value you are going to get? The equation number 1 says that A plus 2D is equals to 12. So you have to substitute the D value as 2. So A plus 2 into D value is also 2, that is equals to 12. A plus 2 to the 4, that is equals to 12. So A value will become 12 plus 4. If you shift on the other side, it will become minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 8, and A value will become 8. So you found A value also. Now you found A value and D value. Why we require that A value and D value? Because they have told you to find A41. They have told you to find what? A41 for you. So A41 is required. For that purpose, we are finding the A and D value, because what is A41? A41, very good. The answer is giving. All of you are giving the answer. A41 refers to A plus 40D. 1 less. 41 means 40. 1 less. 40D. So A value is here only have 8 and D value is 2. So it is 40 into 2. So 8 plus 40 into 2 is 80. Yes. So answer is 80 plus 8 is 88. So A41 is nothing but 88 is the answer. Very nice. All of you are giving that answer. Sanjan Kavanna, Bhakti Hansi, and here I have Akash Shetty, Sanjana Shetty, Anusha Bhatt, Yashasvi, and then we have Unique Bullets, Sanjit, I think, yes, Sakshi. So all of you, maximum all of you have given this answer. Very nice. Very nice. So several students have given this answer. Yes, very nice. And Nidhi Shetty is also given that answer. But I think I it is okay, not a problem. Typing mistake maybe. Okay, not a problem. So Sannidhi Kamath also given. So this is the all the question what have given the question for you and you have answered it to me. And very nice of that. And all the exercise question is there in YouTube channel. I will send the link for you if you want. Or now below only you have link. There you can click and you can see all the exercise question. But first main exercise question have not solved for CBSE and the state syllabus students. But second onwards have solved all the exercise question. So once you go through it, and tomorrow we'll discuss next important topic, sum of AP. Sum of AP is very interesting to find. So see you for tomorrow. Anyone have a doubt today, you can ask. Please like, subscribe and share my channel, and you can call your students, your classmates to this live class. It is you can join. Okay, so tell them to join. So see you for tomorrow. Anyone have a doubt means you can ask. So how many of you are here? Just you put on like button, click that like button once, and it will be helpful for me. So see you tomorrow. Anyone have a doubt now? Anyone have a doubt? So I will send the link. Link is in given in description. You can check there, or I will send in a WhatsApp, or where you want that I will send you. But you put one message. Okay, so very easy to find, no problem. So some questions are there. Again, we have to discuss. Then we have to go to the next topic, that is sum of the first n terms, that we will learn tomorrow. As competition, what I have told, it will be on Monday. Monday I will tell you what are the condition and registration. Everything is there. It is a free of cost. You can join, means you can participate of free of cost. It is not that you have to pay something then you have to join for the competition. No, it is a free of cost. So anyone can join, but there is some conditions that you have to follow. That condition and what it is, everything will be included, that will be told on the Monday class. So don't miss that Monday class also. So homework, I have already given one question, and for you want one more homework, means take down one more homework. So one more homework, second homework, take down. Okay, take down the question. Okay, how many of you saw this question? I will want to see the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Okay, this is a question. All of you take down and solve it for tomorrow. Let us see how many of you solve. See here, the question is the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7 it seems. Then you have to find its common difference. So see you for today. Tomorrow we will meet. So all of you press that like button once. Thank you. One and all. All of you are taken that question. Yes, you have to send the homework today only, now only. Before the class it will end. I want the answer now. Okay, after this class I want. Before those are sent, I will not consider. After this class, when I will enter, you have to send. Okay, so quickly do that. Okay, anyone have a doubt means you can ask. Okay, one is saying that you have given a simple method. Yes, you have given simple method, very good. But it is the same method. Okay, so Ayush, very good. So bye everyone, take care. All of you subscribe my channel.